Hello traders, hope you're doing well. I strongly believe that today's video is going to be very useful for a lot of intraday traders who regularly follow our channel because I'll be discussing about 3 to 4 important factors that we need to take into consideration during the live market. If we pay attention to these things while trading, definitely we can see significant improvement in our trading style. Now you don't have to believe what I say. After you completely watch this video, I would suggest you to open Nifty, Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty chart. I'm sure you will observe that majority of the time following these 4 methods will significantly increase our success rate in intraday trading. Now what are these 3 to 4 methods? Let's understand them one by one. Now the first thing which I try to identify as soon as I open the chart is I try to identify the recent swings. Now there are two types of swings. One is swing high, another one is swing low. Now in this Bank Nifty chart, I will consider this as swing high. This is the place from where market continuously fell. Now this level, I will consider this as swing low because from here the market slowly started to move towards the upside, forming higher lows and higher high. Now the main reason why I try to identify the swing high and swing low is because I want to draw the Fibonacci tool on the chart. Now, if you have been following me regularly, you will notice that many times I keep using the Fibonacci tool. Now, I made 1 or 2 videos explaining the importance of Fibonacci. Now here, simply I will show you how to plot the Fibonacci tool. Now, when market is in downtrend, we will go here, choose the Fibonacci extension tool. From swing high to swing low, we will draw the Fibonacci levels. Same way, when market is moving towards the upside, this is our swing low, right? And this is our swing high, correct? So from swing low to swing high, we will draw the Fibonacci levels. Very simple. When market is moving towards the downside, from swing high to swing low, we will draw the Fibonacci level. And when market is in uptrend, we are going to do just the opposite. From swing low to swing high, we will draw the Fibonacci level. Now, what is the significance of drawing Fibonacci level on the chart? Now, if you remember in my yesterday analysis video, from swing high to swing low, I drew the Fibonacci level. Now, when you plot this on the chart, you can see there are a lot of values here. In this, the most significant values are 0.382 level, 0.5 level and 618 level. 618 level is the most important level. It can also be considered as a trend reversal level. Majority of the time, there is a chance that the market can reverse from 618 level of Fibonacci. Now, if you remember, while doing market analysis yesterday, I said that the market is at very important resistance because it was near 618 level. In case market opens with gap up or it breaks the channel also, the chances of reversal is high. We had discussed that, right? Yesterday market closed near 618 level of Fibonacci. Today when market opened with a slight gap down, you could see a significant momentum in the market towards the downside. From today's opening till today's low, it was close to 325 points fall. So next time when you plot the Fibonacci tool on the chart and it is close to 618, please be aware that there is a chance of trend reversal. Okay. Now in this 5 minutes time frame chart of Bank Nifty, I can show you a lot of recent examples from where the market has reversed from 0.618 level of Fibonacci. Shall we see? Now market created a low here. It started to move towards the upside. It gave a breakout. Again, it continued to move towards the upside. But later you can see we got a breakdown here. So what have we identified? We have identified a swing low and we have identified a swing high. So when market started to move towards the upside, what we are supposed to do from swing low to swing high, we have to draw the Fibonacci level. Now here you will notice that many people at this breakdown, they would have entered a put option. So market continuously fell. Many people didn't wanted to miss opportunity. Let's say they entered the market at these areas. Now exactly from where the market reversed from 0.618 level, we could see a reversal where market hit all the stop losses of retail traders. This is the first recent example. Now once market started to reverse from here, what will become the recent swing low? This will become the recent swing low and this will become the recent swing high. So from swing low to swing high, if you draw the Fibonacci level, market came down, broke 618, held on to this range later. Next morning, market opened with a huge gap up. Now, since we already know the probability of market reversing from 618 level is high, can we enter a put option here? No. It is better that we avoid taking a put option trade. This is my personal opinion. Now, the next day, when market opened with a gap up, continuously moved towards the upside. Later, we saw some correction. What will we do? Again, from swing low to swing high, if you draw the Fibonacci level. Until what level the market fell? It fell up to 618. Later, it started to move towards the upside. According to me, Fibonacci is a very powerful tool which helps us in avoiding entering the market at the wrong time. Now, today also I can show you an example. Recently, this was the swing high. Today, market opened with a gap down. There was a continuous momentum towards the downside. So this becomes swing high. Today's low became swing low. When market is moving towards the downside, what will we do? From swing high to swing low, we will draw the Fibonacci level. Now, at what level the market faced resistance? It faced resistance at 0.618. After that, you can see a continuous fall towards the downside. So this is the potential of Fibonacci tool. Now, what I would suggest to you is open Nifty, Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty chart and try to plot the Fibonacci levels and see at what levels the market is reversing. Later, you can come back to this video and in the comment section, you can share your results. So this is the first thing which I pay attention to in intraday trading, where I look at important Fibonacci levels. Now, the second important skill which I consider all intraday traders have to learn is simultaneously watching both Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. This means either you can, on the left side you keep Nifty chart, on the right side you keep Bank Nifty chart. Simultaneously you need to look at both the charts. This is also called parallel watching. Now I'll give you a quick example as to why we need to do this. Traders, many times I have told you that if one index, let's say Nifty or Bank Nifty, doesn't matter. If one index has given a breakdown and the other index, let's say it is coming close to the support, majority of the time, whichever index is coming close to the support, the market will respect that. Whichever index is given breakdown, the chances of this breakdown failing and market reversing in this index is high. I'll give you an example. Today, Nifty made a momentum like this, right? You can see if I draw a trend line, Nifty has given a breakdown. This is somewhere around 1140, 1150. At the same time, what is Bank Nifty doing? Bank Nifty has come to the support. You can see this was acting as support. Again, this level is acting as support. So in this case, what happened? Bank Nifty's support level was respected, market reversed, and Nifty's this breakdown. Here also, looking at this breakdown, many people would have entered. At this breakdown, who entered the trade, the market reversed and hit their stop loss. So here I have discussed about one important thing. When one index gives a breakdown, other index coming close to the support, the chances of trend reversal is possible. Okay, that time this breakdown might fail. Same thing when it comes to resistance. Let's say Nifty is moving towards the upside, it is facing resistance, but Bank Nifty has already given a breakout. The chances of this breakout failing is high, and the market respecting this resistance level is high. That is why we have to watch both Nifty and Bank Nifty chart simultaneously. This will give us multiple confirmation in the market before we take any kind of trade. So this is a second important skill which I think help us increase our success rate. At the same time, we can avoid entering in this kind of trap in the market. Okay. Now the third important skill that we need to develop is trade psychology. Now what do I mean by this? Let me give you an example. Now many retail traders, when they saw this breakdown, what would they think? They will think of entering a put option. Or when they saw the market breaking an important support level, again they will think about entering a put option. But I personally said after this breakdown, the chances of market reversing is high. You can go and check out our free Telegram channel. I have explained about this. Now, what was the logic behind this? Let's say this is the recent swing low and this is the swing high. The first point is market has already broken 618 level of Fibonacci. Previously only I said if market breaks 618, the chances of reversal is high. This is the first point why I feel the market can reverse. Now coming to the second point. People who saw this breakdown when market continuously was falling, they did not want to miss the opportunity. They entered a put option trade. Now, if people enter a put option trade here, where will be their stop loss? Their stop loss will be on top. So to hunt the stop loss, the market can reverse. This is the second reason why I expected the market to move towards the upside. So what we did here, we tried to develop our trade psychology. Just at random breakdown, we did not think about entering. We tried to understand the psychology of the market. Now, the fourth important point is we need to be ready to learn from our losses. You see, today when market gave this breakdown, I said entering a put option according to me is not a good idea. We will wait until the market reverse. Later, if I'm getting any bearish sentiment here, I will plan for a put option trade. So here, market reversed. It was showing some bearishness. And the second point. Now from swing high to swing low, if I draw the Fibonacci level, the market reversed at 618 level and moved towards the downside. That time, what will become the recent swing high? This will become the recent swing high. So this is my recent swing high and this is my recent swing low. Now at what level the market is facing resistance? It's facing resistance at 618. From here, my next expectation is market will move towards the downside. So I had 2 to 3 reasons to believe that the market will move towards the downside. I was waiting for an opportunity, but what happened? Nifty continued to move towards the upside, and Bank Nifty also, you can see it continuously started to move towards the upside. Yes, I did not plan for any trade here, but in case if I had entered the trade here with the view that market will move towards the downside, then definitely in every trade that I take, I have to place a stop loss. Now, many retail traders do not place stop loss because when the market hits a stop loss, it hurts us. More than the profit, when market hits a stop loss, it hurts us more because it affects our ego. Many times this Fibonacci setup has worked, but the days when it fails, I should not lose more. So it is always important that I place a reasonable stop loss somewhere here or here. In case my view is wrong today, if the market reverses like today and hits my stop loss without thinking too much, even though it hurts, I have to quickly exit the trade. The day when we accept that market is supreme, that is when, and exit from the trade, that is when we can avoid big losses in the market. Now many retail traders, they do not place a stop loss trigger because they don't have enough clarity as to at what price I have to exit. Because of this, when market makes a big momentum like this, they see bigger losses. As the market keeps going higher and higher, they find it very difficult to exit the trade because booking losses will hurt us, right? To avoid that, they keep holding on the position and they see a bigger losses. Now those of you who's interested, please let me know in the comment section. Maybe I will make a video explaining how to automate our stop loss on a premium chart. If I get more comments, definitely I'll make a video on this. So traders, in this particular video, I've tried to explain 3 to 4 important concepts related to intraday trading, which I feel will be useful for a lot of beginners. Now, my personal suggestion will be, rather than implementing what we discussed in this video directly in the market, please do some research. Check historical charts or try paper trading. Based on the results that you get, you can take your decisions. Now traders, it takes a lot of time for me to make such videos for you. If you think this video was useful, then share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you want regular videos like this, apart from the market analysis, please let me know. I will try to include that as well. And how to place stop loss in the premium chart. If you want that video, let me know in the comment section below. If more people are showing interest, definitely I'll work on that video as well. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.